How to succeed when you are alone. Lessons from a Buddhist story. Loneliness is a universal human experience. At some point in our lives, we all find ourselves alone, whether by circumstance or choice. However, being alone doesn't have to equate to feeling lonely. In fact, many people find that solitude can be a source of strength, self-discovery, and personal growth. In this YouTube video, we'll explore how to navigate times of loneliness and find success even when you are alone, drawing inspiration from a profound Buddhist story. Embracing solitude. Being alone versus feeling lonely. There's a distinct difference between being alone and feeling lonely. Being alone simply means you are by yourself, while feeling lonely is a state of mind characterized by a sense of isolation or sadness. Understanding the nature of loneliness. Loneliness often stems from a sense of disconnection, from others, from ourselves, or from our purpose. However, it's essential to recognize that loneliness is a transient emotion, and it doesn't define who we are. The Buddhist story of Angulimala. The story: Angulimala was a notorious bandit who terrorized travelers in ancient India. He was feared by all and had killed hundreds of people. However, upon encountering the Buddha, Angulimala's life took a profound turn. The transformation: instead of reacting with fear or violence, the Buddha approached Angulimala with compassion and understanding. He saw beyond Angulimala's actions and recognized the inherent goodness within him. The power of compassion. Through the Buddha's teachings, Angulimala experienced a transformation. He renounced his violent ways, became a monk, and dedicated his life to spreading love and compassion. Lessons learned. Embracing compassion. The story of Angulimala teaches us the power of compassion, both for others and for ourselves. When we feel lonely, we can cultivate compassion by reaching out to others, practicing self-care, and showing kindness to ourselves. Finding purpose. Angulimala found purpose in his newfound path as a monk. Similarly, during times of loneliness, we can discover our purpose by exploring our passions, setting goals, and focusing on personal growth. The strength of solitude. Solitude can be an opportunity for self-reflection and growth. Instead of fearing being alone, embrace it as a chance to connect with yourself on a deeper level and to discover your inner strength. Conclusion. In conclusion, loneliness is a natural part of the human experience, but it doesn't have to hold us back. By drawing inspiration from the Buddhist story of Angulimala, we can learn to navigate times of loneliness with compassion, purpose, and strength. Remember, you are never truly alone. Within you lies the power to succeed and thrive, no matter the circumstances.